Mimashite omedetou gozaimasu. Happy New Year from Planet AFL TV and welcome to the Year of the Tiger. I'm Edwin, your ever exciting host. Ooh. Today we're going to introduce you an activity for your kids club, Lego community. The game is called MOC Shiritori, my own creation MOC, and Shiritori, a Japanese word game. Basically, in the game, you allocate everyone a number and you draw it out, and people start with a Japanese word. For example, the first person, tora, tiger. The final syllable of that word becomes the starting syllable for the following person's MOC, and they decide a word that fits that with those syllables. You can see a diagram here. So, for example, tora, tiger, the second syllable being RA, the next person must use that to start their next word. And another word in Japanese, rakuda, camel. So the next person may decide to build a camel. And I won't explore what da could be because it gets me confused thinking in English and Japanese. But we have 12 people entering this competition in my Lego group, and I'm going to use this to draw the order. So the first person will message the second person and tell them only the final syllable of their MOC name, and they must use that syllable to start the title of their next MOC, and they cannot end their MOC name with an N. In Japanese. It has to be like a, I, u, e, o, kaku, kaki, kuke, ko, etc. For those who don't know Japanese alphabet, please refer to Google. So anyway, to be transparent for the competition, I have allocated everyone a color with a list of names, and I will draw the order of their names so it is fair. Because the position, the first person obviously gets to decide anything they want. So let's put these minifigure heads. I have prepared 12 heads into the cup. Might be a laundry cup, I'm not sure. Not very exciting for you, but so basically the first head is red, which can be seen here. Then we have dark gray, or dark bluish gray, clear, yellow, blue, black, white. I'm trying to keep them in order so I can write it down. Dark blue, bright green, green, fluorescent yellow, and the last person is red. No, transparent orange, I'm sorry. I have hidden people's names. I've only got the colors down here because privacy, but I will show you the 12 people's original creations, and in the start of February when the competition is being drawn. I look forward to seeing what strange creations my team members come up with. So now I will teach the order to my group members, and the first person will message the next person, and it's the second person, third person, and so on, until everyone has a syllable to make their creation, and they will have till the end of this month to build it. Now, every competition needs prizes, and these are for my group members, but just to show the fun that they have. Yay! The first person will get very shiny 117 717, the creator set, 1500 piece set, pretty nice. Maybe damaged box now, but oh well. Second prize 76152, Loki's The Wrath of Loki, for the members in my group who are over 4. Third prize is 70823. Yes, finally I've got the number right after 20 takes. This is Emmett's tricycle from the Lego movie. And for people who are not confident, and if you want to encourage people to enter your competitions more, we have a wild prize, like a lucky draw prize, so anyone can win. 30188, the, what are they called? Sea creatures. But some people don't enter competitions because they worry they're not going to get a prize, they've got no chance to get a prize, but I try and make it fair and fun for everyone. So that's my Shiritori MOC competition, and I will show you the awesome creations a month from now. I hope you look forward to seeing those, and I look forward to seeing those. And just one more thing before we go, I just wanted to show you my little tiger. This is Year of the Tiger, so I made a little tiger brickhead. I will show you pictures in close up in a second. Now, somebody said to me I should need to build Calvin if I made Hobbes. I'm not familiar with Calvin and Hobbes apart from the name, but maybe I should investigate that. So anyway, Happy New Year. Let's hope 2022 is free of coronavirus and no one else loses loved ones and friends and have their lives turned upside down by the isolation, separation that people have suffered in the past year. Let's have a happy year and keep on creating. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Wasn't that cheesy? Let's hope this is the last take because I'm getting tired. No, we shouldn't say that.